family. Welcome to Black Ice TV. You already know what it is, man. It's your brother Sarnetta. And July the 7th, it's going down. The Sarnetta TV Awards. It will be annually after the first one. You don't want to miss the first one because usually that is always the best one. And that's when everybody's going to come out. The backstage passes. My brother Black Ice, he got connection to the black stage. He got the backstage passes. So he will be back there with all the people, with everybody. You know what I'm saying? The Nation of Islam, the Moors, the Hebrews, the Black Panthers, the Black Power groups that's out there. This is going to be a love and unity event. Make sure you are present in the building. Okay, family? It's going to be at the Symphony Space on 95th and Broadway. You don't want to miss that. And you never know who's going to come through. You never know who's going to show up. So make sure you be there. And I will be in front to greet everybody as they coming through the doors. Rob Bourne, you ain't even get your ticket yet, brother. I don't even know what's up. Homeboy, what's my man name, the one we talking about? He probably ain't get his ticket yet, man. I don't know. I'm saying. So family, that's all I'm going to say is just be there. Don't be square. What did you say, man?
Yeah, I want you to big up Black Ice TV, Titans TV, because Titans is getting nominated.
Oh, man. Big ups the Black Ice TV. And, of course, my man Titans TV is nominated. And he's doing good. And this is one of the medias as well, HMP TV. All right? So, family, Titans TV, London family, make sure you be there. How you say it? The European, what you call them?
What's the word?
No, remember when you told Smalls to say something? The European or something.
Oh.
Because they
Euro-African.
Euro-African, I'm speaking to you. Make sure y'all are in the building to support us, to support Titans TV. And come on out there, man, because it's all about unity with us.
And the last media is contents over everything.
And contents over everything. Speaker's Corner. But isn't that ran by Titan TV?
He's now become the debater. And the content over everything is the one that films the whole debate.
Content over everything. Yo, I wanted to say y'all doing y'all thing out there. I mean, I remember sending Jabari a video, and he was like, oh, wow. He was shook up that y'all even knew who he was. You know, so peace and shout out to y'all, man. We love y'all, man.
Peace. Now, Jabari. Yeah.
You could walk, just slide Sarnetta over. He not filming no more. Peace, family. This is your brother Jabari Osaze here in Harlem, New York, talking to my family in the UK. And I just have to say that I have been watching the things that you brothers have been doing. I admire the work of Black Ice TV 7. I admire the work of Titans TV. I admire the work of Content Over Everything. You are assisting our people to build a global movement. When we build a global movement, no one will stop us. And that is what this collaboration between Africans on different sides of the water is all about. So I want to support all the things that you're doing. I can't wait to get over there to meet you all in person. And I really hope that I'll also see you at the Sarnetta TV Awards here in July. July 7th, there's going to be no place else to be. And when we get together, we just have to all go out for some soul food and just enjoy each other because the family cannot be divided. Peace.
And there's one more for you,
Oh, yeah? Oh, is it up now?
Yeah, the site's up.
Oh.
This is for the books and everything.
Family, I think you have to also recognize that maybe the most important thing that we can do is to spend our money together, right? Because when we spend our money together, we'll be able to build institutions together. When we be able to build institutions together, we'll be able to finance those things that we need to be a powerful community. So you need to know that Black Ice Stores is up. Now, I know I've been excited about it. I've been talking to these brothers about it for about 4 months now. When you go to Black Ice Stores, you are going to be able to get content from all over the black world. You hear what I'm saying? There is nothing else like it. I know that when I see my brother Terry, he always brings me a book, or I see him with something that I don't see in the States. So you got to understand that when people are able to put together all of our ideas globally, once again, we're going to be more powerful than anyone. Quiet as this is kept, there are more Africans than Chinese people around the world. There are more Africans than Indians around the world. And there are definitely more Africans than Europeans around the world. The Tamil is the smallest group. When we unify, spend our money together, learn together, work together, build institutions together, we will once again be a force that will be reckoned with. So I'm asking you, family world, all over the world, to support blackeyestores.com, because when you do it, we're going to once again move to the forefront of human civilization. Peace.